This next section of problem 5 that we are looking at, problem 5C, we're going to be doing a couple of calculations here. The first one we're looking at is margin of safety. So with margin of safety is we're looking at how much higher your actual sales are than the break-even sales. So how much are you making over the minimum that you have to make to cover your fixed costs. So our actual sales are $40,000, and we know that our break-even sales is 27. So 27 minus your so 40 minus your 27 is 13,000. So that was 40,000 minus your 27,000. So that's where the 13 comes from. So that's very helpful when you're looking at your sales. You know that in this particular instance, you're quite safe here in that you're actually making $13,000 over and above what you need to cover your fixed costs. So if for some reason your estimates were off or something happened, maybe there was a storm and you had to close your shop for a couple of days, you know that you're still probably going to be okay in terms of covering your break even because you're well above that. So now the next thing we want to look at is operating leverage factor. And this is again another shortcut to see if what the impact of changing your volume would be. So we're going to start off here with your contribution margin. Your contribution margin from up here that you're given is 20,000. So we have a contribution margin of 20,000. Then we have to divide that by your operating income. So operating income is 2,000. So that gives you an operating leverage of 10. So what this means is you can use this information so when you increase the volume that you were selling, then this will tell you right away what the impact is going to be. And we'll see how this works in the next problem. So in this section 5C, we've covered margin of safety, so how much over and above break even are you making in sales, and it's covering operating leverage factor.